Presentation on HIV structure and function. gp120, which is surface glycoprotein. Surface glycoprotein located on the HIV outer envelope. It binds specifically to CD4 receptors present on the immune cells. It triggers conformational changes required for membrane fusion. It's a major target for antibodies and also important for vaccine research. gp41, transmembrane glycoprotein. It's a transmembrane glycoprotein embedded in the HIV envelope. It forms envelope protein complex. Undergoes structural rearrangement after gp120 binds to CD4 receptors. Derives fusion of viral and host. Enables viral core entry into host. Target for fusion inhibitors. p17, matrix protein. Matrix protein located beneath the lipid envelope. Forms the part of structural scaffold. Stabilizes the envelope and organizes viral protein incorporation during assembly. Directs the transport of viral core to the plasma membrane. Influences viral infectivity and interacts with the host cell factors. p24, capsid protein. Primary capsid protein forming the conical core shell of the virus. Surrounds viral RNA genome. Provides structural integrity and protection. Allows controlled release of the genome inside the host cell. Key diagnostic marker for HIV infection. p64, reverse transcriptase enzyme. Enzyme complex composed of p64 and p51 subunits inside the viral core synthesizes cDNA. Carries out specific RNA transcription steps after viral entry. Error-prone process, and that leads to high mutation. Target for various inhibitors. p10 protease. Enzyme packed within the HIV viral core. Functions in post-assembly processing. Cleaves large polyproteins. Essential for producing infectious virions. Major target for various inhibitors. p32, integrase. Enzyme located within the HIV core. Facilitates viral genome integration into host. Binds newly synthesized viral DNA. Establishes permanent infection. Target for integrase inhibitors. Single-stranded RNA molecule. 2 identical copies of positive sense ssRNA. Contains genetic information for structural proteins, enzymes, and regulatory proteins. Reverse transcribed into DNA by RT enzyme. Redundancy of 2 RNA copies enhances replication efficiency. Thank you so much for watching the video.